Welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be a 1961 to 1968 Super Tinker. Now I don't know if that designation was utilized back in the time frame this knife was made, but that's what we're going to use based on today's determination of what a Super Tinker is. So the Super Tinker takes the standard 2-layer Tinker knife, adds a 3rd layer, and that layer is scissors. So you still have a 91mm knife, still roughly 1 inch tall, and then with that 3rd layer it puts it right at about 5/8 of an inch wide. Okay, now we'll notice on this one that we have no scale tools. And we have the pre-1968 bail on it. Then we have the earlier style square screwdriver that has the file and no can key. So this came around in 1952 and lasted till sometime in the late 60s. Obviously we know at least 1968. And we have our post 1961 reamer awl, the sharpened edge, and no sewing knife. And this knife has been used by the previous owner or someone along the way, and the blades have been butchered. You'll see that when we get to it. You have your standard opening layer with the Swiss pat on the can opener here, and a little bit different style precision screwdriver. This ran from 1951 1951 to 1980, this style. Your cap lifter bottle opener is not going to have the 90-degree stop because of the age. We still have our wire bender and our hollow ground screwdriver. And as we'll see, because of the age of the knife, we still retain the wire stripper. That went away in about 1980. And you have the pre-73 style of scissors. So you have a single band spring, the screw instead of a rivet, and then you'll also have a little bit of a bevel, a little different style on your scissor handles. You get to your main blade. As I said, this one's been butchered. You have your standard main blade with a tang stamp of Victorinox Switzerland stainless Rossfry. And then on the back you have Victoria Officer Sweeps. And we have what's left of the pre-1973 clip point blade. So there we have it, a 1961 to 1968 Super Tinker based on the reamer awl, the age of the screwdriver, the Phillips screwdriver, and the bail. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned. Be nice to one another.